Welcome to the JJ Mauget Certified Applicator Training Guide. This is part 1 of a multi-part series outlined to prepare you for the Mauget's Basic Applicator Certification exam. This series will be covering all the aspects of Mauget's microinjection process and an insight into the products that can assist with your success in the tree care industry. We begin with a brief overview of Mauget's history. The history of microinjection. Over 500 years ago, Leonardo da Vinci randomly injected arsenic into his apple trees to discourage people from stealing his fruit. Microinjection as we know it today is a recent innovation. The idea. In the late 1940s, Jim Mauget, an agricultural consultant and fertilizer manufacturer, was hospitalized and receiving medication through an IV or intravenously. He began chatting with his roommate, who was an arborist. They discussed whether or not a tree could take up small amounts of nutrients and pesticides in the same manner. Nutrients stream into the vascular system of the tree xylem's tissue, eventually being translocated throughout the entire tree. The pioneers. Jim Mauget, pictured here, developed the first tree injectors in the late 1950s and incorporated the JJ Mauget Company in 1958. Initially, trees were injected anywhere on the trunk. After extensive research, we discovered for a faster uptake and for better distribution throughout the canopy, it was more effective to inject closer to the base of the tree. The pioneers. Dale Dodds. Dale Dodds was a chemist, engineer, and environmentalist. He joined the JJ Mauget Company in 1968 and developed the Mauget microinjection chemical product line. He formulated fertilizers and pesticides to be highly systemic, allowing them to merge with a tree's vascular system. Dale created the canister-style capsules for Insecticide B. This new design was truly exceptional since it was a closed system. This innovation meant there would be no exposure to the applicator or to the environment. This is particularly appealing when dealing with toxic pesticides such as dicrotophos, commonly known as bidrin, the active chemical in Insecticide B. The legacy. Nate Dodds joined Mauget in 1982 to work with his father Dale and brother Charlie. In 1997, Nate became president after Dale's passing. Nate guided Mauget during a period of new challenges for tree healthcare professionals and introduced the Gen 2 capsules and the new line of liquid loadable products. Nate improved the original capsule design and brought the Gen 2 capsule to the marketplace. Utilizing sonic welding for a true airtight seal was an improvement on the closed system, keeping the concept of box to tree with a known dosage, prohibiting waste from drifting into the watershed. He also introduced the sale of the same products in 1-liter bottles labeled HP that broadened the options for tree injection. The next generation of leadership. Kelly Dodds rejoined Mauget in 2017 after Nate's passing and assumed the role of president. She has built on the legacy of her father and grandfather, who dedicated their careers to providing proven solutions for tree healthcare professionals. For Kelly, it's personal. She believes this team is taking Mauget into the future and continuing with her family's core concepts of doing business with integrity and honesty. This is also an opportunity for Kelly to create jobs for like-minded individuals who want to have a positive impact on the environment. The future of tree injection. Mauget wants to bring the years of research, development, and know-how to the forefront of the U.S. market. We are looking to reach applicators, landscapers, and anyone with a keen knowledge and love of trees. If that is you, we would love for you to join our family of caring for trees. Mauget has been in business for over 60 years. Our methods of efficacy and safety in the system of microinjection has been imitated, but will never be duplicated. We proudly look forward to being the right way to treat a tree for many more years to come. Now that you have a brief overview of Mauget's history, you can continue watching the next presentation in the series, Advantages.